Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I'm excited for this one. I got my first one of the year. Woo! Excited about getting this in the mail. It's been a while since I've been able to pick up something like this. Got a 2021 version, and I'm pretty excited to tear it open and take a look. Hopefully you are too, so why don't we go ahead and do that? Get this thing open and check it out. Alright, not sure how to open it. Labels on the other side, so I'm just going to cut it down this side, see what happens. Well, I really need to invest in a knife sharpener. This thing used to be really sharp. Not anymore. Cutting open too many packages. Receiving through the Talking Bullion P.O. box. Alright. So we'll get this over here. And we'll take a look at this big old box with something very little in there. So let's cut this open like so. Let's unwrap it. Okay. Let's unwrap it some more. Boop. Okay, oh, look at that. It's falling right out of that flip, so I guess we don't have to worry about cutting it out of there. Huh. It's kind of weird. I taped it up pretty well, but still slipped out of there. Picked this up from one of the online bullion dealers. And why don't I zoom in a little bit so we can get a better view. It's pretty dark on my... There we go. Got some more light on it. And we'll pick it up. It seems like it lightens up a little bit better when I do that. Look at that, folks. Can we see that year? My first 2021 Type 1 American Gold Eagle. Now, I put out another video recently about the American Silver Eagle and disappointed with the Type 1 designation and Type 2. I mean, come on, Type 1, Type 2, we can do better than that. I know types are commonly used for coins, but I want to change the name, and I want you guys to help me. The American Silver Eagle and the American Gold Eagle, the ones that came out first this year, should be called Classics. This is an American Gold Eagle Classic. Not Type 1, Classic. Spread the word, right? Let's get it going. Come on, let's do better than Type 1. Remember Coke had Coke Classic? Why don't we do American Gold Eagle Classic, right? Same thing because they're classics, right? This is a classic coin for sure. And it is a coin. We do know that, right? So yeah, man, $10 down here, right? It's a $10 coin. See it right there? 1/4 ounce of fine gold. And very, very nice. Now, these are kind of hard to get right now. To filming this video, you will have a hard time logging on and getting one available right now. You'll find a few sites that have them on pre-order. But rumor has it that the U.S. Mint is having a hard time getting gold. And I'll tell you, gold is selling, silver is selling. People are buying it up right now. Why? Because it is time to buy, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what goes through people's minds, but I can tell you we're out buying too. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? What is this? It's an American Gold Eagle, the Classic Edition. Huh? AGECE. AGE Classic Edition. All right, though, but yeah, isn't this just absolutely beautiful? Flipped it the wrong way, so on these Gold Eagles, you flip them upside down, flip them straight over. Because if you do them like this, then it'll be upside down. Right? But if you do it like this, straight up, 2021. And these are not pure gold, unlike the Canadian Maple Leafs and others. These are 90%, 91%. I think 91 and some change because there is some copper, a little bit of silver in there to make them more durable. But they're heavier than a quarter ounce because there's a quarter ounce of pure gold in there. They just add a few other alloys in the American Gold Eagle, which a lot of the other countries don't. So, I mean, it's okay. People know that about the American Gold Eagle because there is still a quarter ounce of gold in there. But like the Canadian Maple Leaf is 0.99949 fine gold. But we still have a quarter ounce in here, which makes it absolutely awesome. What a great thing to have in your stack, huh? Is this thing beautiful or what? Look at that close up. Man. See if I zoom in even further, what does that do to it? Alright. Zoom back out a little bit. So what do you think, huh? Pretty cool to have our first version of the American Gold Eagle Classic. Or how about this? How about the Classic American Gold Eagle? That's even better, right? The Classic American Gold Eagle. And then the next one we're going to have, the Type 2, is going to be called the Reborn American Gold Eagle, or the American Gold Eagle Reborn. Reissued. Rebirthed. But it's not Type 2. Come on, let's go with Reborn. I like that. All right? So help me spread the word. Get these beautiful American Silver Eagles and Gold Eagles tagged with the right name. Hashtag American Silver Eagle Classic. Hashtag American Gold Eagle Classic. Hashtag AGEC. Hashtag ASEC. That's what I think, folks. I think we can be pretty creative and give these things some cool names. All right. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.